Hi, Namaste. Welcome to Swaz Safri Kala, a true pleasure to make and enjoy food. So, if you are new to the channel or reached over here, then don't forget to like the content, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Swaz Safri Kala, which is totally free. Just click the red button in bottom and get my updated videos and recipes. Before all that, today's topic today I am going to make North Indian special aloo ka samosa. Once you try it at your home and you will just enjoy it. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, for making aloo ka samosa, let's divide the video in two parts: the outer layer and the inner layer of stuffing. For outer layer, take 2 cups of maide ka atta, add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. For making the samosa khasta, then add salt, ajwain and mix it well. Now check by combining in hand if it's getting together. If not, then add more ghee. Mix this atta and knead the dough tight by adding little cold water. Add the water wisely as we want a tight atta. So combine this atta properly and rest the dough for at least half an hour. Now take imli and gul, let it soak for 30 minutes. Then remove the pulp, add little chili powder, salt as per taste and boil for 5 to 10 minutes and our imli chutney is ready. So the video contains one more secret recipe, so continue watching. Now for stuffing, take hammam dasta, take jeera, coriander, dhana and soap. Now make rough paste of these three. If you don't have hammam dasta, then make it in mixing grinder. So our paste is done. Now take 2 to 3 chilies, or according to your taste you can reduce or increase the chilies, and take half inch of ginger and make fine paste of this by adding salt. So our dry powder and our green paste is ready. Now potatoes. So boil the potatoes till they are cooked properly. Peel off potato skin. Now just cut them in half and make small cube shaped pieces of these potatoes, and our potatoes are also ready. Now heat a pan on medium flame and add 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. You can also add oil, but ghee gives us an Indian flavor. Now add dry powder of jeera, cumin, coriander powder and soap and mix it for a minute or two. So you can comment me down if you want ghee making recipe, and I'll share you in upcoming videos. Now put the potato cubes in it and mix it well by adding green paste and coriander leaves. You should add green paste at this point. I have added it in later parts as I forgot it. So mix this properly. If you have reached over here and liked the video, then don't forget to like the video, as we come to know that you love watching our videos and motivate us to make more such videos. Most of you watch my shorts and videos, but they don't subscribe. So do subscribe Swaz Safri Kala for more such content. So now I have added lime juice, salt and sugar and mix it well. Now smash it and add coriander leaves. Now second chutney of today's video. So I am going to take 2 to 3 chilies, then take chopped coriander leaves, then take mint leaves, pudina leaves, add little salt and water and give it a quick stir. So this is our green chutney, which is mint fresh green chutney, ready. Now our dough has rested for half an hour. Knead the dough for again 2 minutes. Now make equal shaped balls and flatten the balls in chapati shape or in oval shaped chapati. Now cut it in half and join the ends and press it from center. There should be no gap as the batter can come out. So close it properly. You can apply water so that it can get closed properly. Now fold in center and close the end as shown, and our samosa is ready. So I will make all these samosas. So my samosas are ready. Now heat up oil on kadai and let the oil get heat properly. Then add samosa and cook till they are goldenish brown. So I have cooked 2 to 3 samosas in oil and remaining I have air fried. So I have air fried for about 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. According to your air fryer temperature you can change it. So our yummy, delicious, crispy samosa is ready. So you can see how beautiful it is going to look. So our crispy samosas are ready to enjoy with imli chutney or green chutney. So hope you like the video. If you like, then do like press the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to Swaz Safri Kala. Thank you for watching. Enjoy cooking.